Hi, I'm Steve Konopelski. I'm a former Broadway performer turned pastry chef, graduating top of my class from the French Culinary Institute. Now, I own my own place, Turnbridge Point, which is a bakery, wholesale business, catering and event space, couture wedding cake designer, and a bed and breakfast. Before opening my own place, I worked at some of the top restaurants in New York and was even the assistant to a James Beard award-winning pastry chef. I've also been seen on Food Network a few times.
Let's bring in Steve.
I'm gonna dance circles around these other bakers. It's gonna look beautiful.
Delicious.
Well done, me!
Who knew ice cream could be this hot?
Medic! Caramel, hopes, and prayers. I guess you know my secret now. And he's crazy.
Peanut butter.
Bang it! Spatula drop.
Steve.
Steve!
Steve. Steve.
I won! Yes!
I was recently seen on Haunted Gingerbread Showdown, which I won.
Call of the Haunted Shore.
The Haunted Gingerbread Showdown winner is Steve.
Now, I'm ready to conquer the world one stick of butter at a time.